Welcome to Pips Empire YouTube channel. This is the weekly forecast for the coming week, and we'll be looking at the dollar index, GBPUSD, EURUSD, GBPJPY, and gold. So this is the weekly chart for dollar index. We could see the movement here. It has been bullish throughout the year. From last year, 2021, it has been bullish. The trend has been bullish, and we'll be focusing on what is happening here, what we are expecting from this place. And this market just broke this level and we tested to it. Last week's candle closed as bearish candle, and although it closed at bearish candle, we can see the rejection. You can see that week. So for the week, we are expecting maybe the opening of the week, we are expecting a bearish movement to this point, and then a bullish movement to the upside. So looking at daily, let's see what we have there. So the same thing, drop, but let's look at what's happened here. Look at what, I will have to remove this. Look at this low. Look at this energetic move, took out, broke this low. But we are looking at this range here to here. So it's still a bullish movement. Let's drop to 4 hour. Yeah, this is the 4 hour time frame. See, showing us the same thing from the daily and the weekly. But if we look at this zone here, we'll see how the markets respected it here. Although it broke out here, but it respected it again. Broke out, retested, went higher, back in, and then to this point. This is news impact. This was news impact, and the market has been correcting since then, going back to this same level that it was before the news. But before the news, we have this low here, lower low, then lower high, then another lower high, and then the news came and took out all the lows to this point. So the market is likely to come back to this zone, come back to this place, react to it, and then push up according to the weekly time frame. That is what I will be expecting. Maybe drop to this zone as far as this zone, and then push up. I'm expecting it to go up. But one thing with the market, always react to what the market is giving you. Don't force an impact on it. Always react from what is happening in the zone. Because if you force anything, it might take you out before the actual movement, or it might actually not go as you want. Sometimes you will be lucky enough to gain from it, but that's gambling. Just react to it. So we'll be looking at GBPUSD. So I'll start from daily time frame for GBPUSD. My network is really slow. Don't know why. So this is the daily time frame from GBPUSD. You could see that shoulder, head, shoulder. So which means in daily time frame, we should be expecting a break above this level. If you are really looking at this as a shoulder, head, and then shoulder, that means we'll be expecting a bullish movement. But let's go down to other time frames and see what we have there. Let me remove this first. I'll go to 1 hour time frame. I think there is a better there. Let's see. So this is what we have in 1 hour time frame. Let me bring this together. So looking at this level, and then also look at this level here. Also, let's look at this level too. So this is the key 3 levels we'll be looking at. This one here, this one here, and this one here. Currently the market is here, and for the rest of the week will be, if it should break this low, that means we'll be expecting it to drop to this place. That is, if it should come down, we'll be expecting it to drop to this level. But if it should move from here, that means we'll be expecting it to get here, retest, and then move up. That will be the expectation for the week. But if we should get to this place, then we'll be expecting a reaction here. One thing about the market is that we don't, in as much as we look out for this particular thing to happen, this particular move, we react to the move. It's better to react. So we'll be watching what happens here. We'll watch closely and then react from what the market gives us. But this is my outlook. I'll be expecting from higher time frame, from what I'm seeing from higher time frame, daily time frame, I'll be expecting a more bullish move. That's the expectation that I have. But when the market starts moving, the reaction we will take is according to the direction that the market moves. Also, EURUSD. Looking at EURUSD. Come on. I prefer pepper stone. So this is EURUSD. Let's go to the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame for EURUSD. For EURUSD, we're looking at, if you are looking at the daily time frame, the range for the daily time frame, we'll be looking at here, this range here, and here, and here. So the market have been within this range for some time. I think for how many weeks? Going to 3 weeks now, or 3 weeks. The market has been within this range, but it has been ranging here for the past 2 weeks, and then there was a breakout on Wednesday on 10th of August. There was a breakout. You can see the break, the retest. Look at this level. Yeah. You can see that break, retest. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame and see what we have there. Okay, so this is that break. Look at the range, the break, the retest. So from here, I'm expecting bullish move. I'm expecting bullish movement. So I'll expect it to move from here, or maybe can also drop to this level here, or maybe drop to somewhere here. But if it should drop, let me mark this level. If it should drop past this level, then I will react according to the movement. Or we can also look at, you can also mark this out on your chart when doing your analysis. You can also mark this level. But if you watch the reaction here, you will see higher highs inside the range till this breakout, and then this retest. So also you might see a distro movement here, then the uptrend. Because just like I said before, it's better to react from what the market gives you than force any movement in the market. So we'll be looking at GJ. This is daily time frame for GJ, and for some time GJ have been ranging in the same zone, this high and this low, and it has been ranging inside that range. But look at what is happening here. It's creating a strong resistance here, and you know, once a zone is tested many times, the more a zone is tested, the more it becomes weak. So for this week, coming week, I'm looking at GJ dropping below this zone, at least to somewhere here around 158, and I'll be expecting GJ to drop. But before that, I will stay neutral. I'm not taking any trade on GJ yet. I want to see it make a move, strong move. I want to see it trend before I can follow it up, if I can react. So let's look at 1 hour and see what is there. Okay, this is 1 hour. I will remove this like that. See that same zone here. That same zone, can push it down a little bit and look at this high. So everything is just happening inside this place. Look at this imbalance here. So there's chances that I might trade up to this imbalance or breakout trades. But before that, as far as it is in this zone, I will just stay neutral for the meantime. I will watch GU and EU and react from there. So looking at gold, which is the last pair. So this is gold weekly time frame. To see how it's spreaded down and went back to this support. We mark it out. And we're back to this support. This is last week candle, and for the past 4 weeks it has been bullish back to this support. So let's go to daily and see what is here. So the same thing with daily, back to this support. So we'll be looking at, for gold, we'll be looking from the 1 hour time frame. We'll be expecting a breakout from this zone. This is news impact, so we'll be using this particular high. We'll be expecting a breakout either above or it will drop, but I'll be more interested if it should go up. It should go above this level first. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, you at least get to this point, that is from here to somewhere here. Then I will expect a distro movement before we either go up or maybe from here drop. drop to somewhere here or drop to this level. That's what I'm expecting for gold for this week. So I will react to what gold gives me. If it's bullish, I will not be that much interested in a strong buy to be a scalp because of this level here. Because of this level, so it will be a scalp for me. But if it should go beyond this level, then I'll find another entry for the rest of the week. But then once it gets here, once it gets to this zone, then I'll be expecting either a breakout above or a breakout below. We react to the market. That's the main thing. So this is the end of the weekly forecast for the coming week, and I hope you have a wonderful and a profitable week. Manage your risk very well. That's the most important thing, so that even if your analysis is wrong, you won't be burnt out. Like, share and subscribe to this channel for more weekly analysis. Thank you very much, and see you next week.